Next example is 8th one. So let us read out the example carefully. A cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag of white cement sold and a loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement sold. So there is a cement company which earns profit by selling white cement, and that profit is 8 rupees per bag. Okay, by selling white cements the company earns profit of rupees 8 per bag. Okay, and the company faces loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement sold. So here the company is earning profit by selling white cement and the company is having loss also by selling grey cements. Okay, so the profit on white cement is 8 rupees per bag and the loss is rupees 5 per bag by selling grey cement. Okay, so here question number A is given to us that the company sells 3000 bags of white cement, that is 3000 bags of white cement. Here the company will gain profit, okay, and 5000 bags of grey cement. So by selling grey cement the company will be having loss. Okay, so we have to find out what is the total profit and loss. Okay, what is the profit or loss in this transaction? Okay, so the solution is profit of 1 bag of white cement. Okay, what is the profit for selling 1 bag of white cement? That is 8 rupees each bag. Okay, and the loss of 1 bag of grey cement. So 5 rupees are lost. The company loses 5 rupees by selling 1 bag of grey cement. Okay, so we will write down the example: profit on selling 3000 bags of white cement. So now here we will calculate profit on selling 3000 bags of white cement. So profit for 1 bag is 8 rupees. So we will multiply this 3000 by 8. So that will be 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0 and 8 threes are 24. So that will be 24,000. Okay, so profit on selling 3000 bags of white cement is 24,000. And now we will calculate the loss. Loss of selling 5000 bags of grey cement, that is equal to 5 rupees per bag. Loss is of 5 rupees per bag. So now we will multiply 5000 bags with 5. 5000 multiplied by 5, that is equal to 25,000. So this was the loss. So profit is 24,000 and loss is of 25,000. So here profit is less than loss. Profit is less than loss. Loss is more, that is loss is greater and profit is less. Okay, so his total loss on selling the grey cement bags, that is equal to loss minus profit. So loss is more, therefore loss we have written at first position and profit we have taken on the second position. So that will be loss minus profit. So 25,000 was the loss and profit was 24,000. So 25,000 minus 24,000, that is equal to 1,000. So here we can tell that he has lost rupees 1,000 on selling the grey cement bags. Okay, so this transaction was not profitable. It was at loss. Okay, so the company faced loss of 1,000 rupees on selling the grey cement bags. Okay, so this was our example. Our next example is, what is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of grey bags sold is 6,400 bags? So I have written down the example and we have the solution here. So let the number of bags of white cement be X. This we don't know. This we have to find out. How many bags we should sell in order to balance the number of grey bags sold, that is 6,400 bags. So this is X. Let us give it as X, that this value we don't know. The value of white cement bags, let it be X because we don't know. Therefore we have taken the variable X. X is a variable whose value we don't know. It may be anything. Okay, so that we have to find out. So number of grey bags sold is equal to 6,400, that is 6,400, and number of white bags sold is X, we don't know. So now here according to the question, loss will be equal to profit. So if loss is equal to profit, then this transaction will be neutral. it will neither be profit and nor be loss. Okay, so here both the equations will be equal, loss equal to profit or profit equal to loss. So we will write down loss is of 5 into 6400. So this is of gray bags. So 5 multiplied by 6400 is equal to x multiplied by 8. So here this 8 is in multiplication. Okay, if it will change its side, then the 8 will go, this 8 will go into division, this 8 will go in division. Okay, so we have to isolate x in order to find out its value. So x we have to separate. So in order to separate x, this 8 should be transferred to this side. So this 8 will go in denominator. Here it is in numerator in multiplication. If it will change its side, then it will go in denominator. So therefore x and this 8 will go here. Therefore x is equal to 5 multiplied by 6400 upon 8. So 5 multiplied by 6400 upon 8. So 8 ones are and 8 8s are 64 and 0 0, these two zeros again we will give. So 8 ones are and 8 800s are is 6400 or 6400. Okay, so 800 here is remaining. So next x is equal to 5 multiplied by 800. 5 multiplied by 800, that is equal to 4000. So x is equal to 4000 bags. Therefore he must sell 4000 white cement bags to have neither profit nor loss. Neither profit nor loss. Okay, if he is selling 4000 white bags and 6400 gray bags, then there will be no profit, no loss. There will be no profit, no loss. So this is the answer. This is the value which we had to find out.